I want to thank everybody for coming and grace the occasion, but I would like to introduce to you the host of the event, Vanda and Kamlesh.
Hello, friends, family. Hi, kids.
Hi. We're not friends and family, we're kids.
Okay. Thank you all for coming. This is a very, very special occasion for me personally. We're gathered here today to celebrate my eldest sister, Miraben's 76th birthday. It's going to be a short little program, just a couple speeches, tiny little things, something, followed by, we're going to cut the cake and then Yashbei is going to sing a couple songs, please.
Yes. Yes.
And then wonderful dinner. And I have to say though, thank you so much to Niraben and Yashbei for allowing me to use their basement for this occasion. I am truly, truly grateful. And I'll give it so much for a minute.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Thank you, Yashbei and Dina.
Yeah.
Hope we'll have a good time tonight and we enjoy it. Cut the cake first and then the dancing
We have a
goes.
speech first, right?
Yeah.
Yep, and then dancing.
Yeah.
So, put on your happy feet. Alright, I would like to invite Mummy. Would you like to say a couple things?
બધા ભાઈ બહેનો અને આજે હું અમારા ચીફ ગેસ્ટ માટે બોલવા જાઉં છું કેમ કે એ એસવી કોલેજના પ્રિન્સિપાલ છે એ તમને ઓળખાણ ઘણાને ના ખબર હોય તો કહું છું અને મીરાબેન માટે તો કંઈ કહેવાનું હોય જ નહીં. She is so good lady and so good nature. બહુ સારો સ્વભાવ, કોઈ બી અહીંથી જાય તો હંમેશા મદદ કરે અને સ્વભાવના તો કેવું જ ના પડે બધાને વેલકમ કરે છે એમને ઘેર અને એમના હસબન્ડ બી બહુ સારા છે એટલે મને બહુ ખુશી છે કે હું એમના માટે કંઈક કહું છું અને થેન્ક્સ ટુ ઓલ ઓફ યુ ફોર કમિંગ. મને તો ખાલી ગુજરાતી જ આવડે છે. ગુજરાતી ચાલશે ને ભાઈઓ બધા બહેનો સાયકલની ચેનો. Wish you happy birthday, Miraben. It's not a belated. We already celebrated Island Kazumo, what? But it was wonderful. It was wonderful trip that Vrinda had organized. She gave us a very good surprise for all four sisters and just for you, Miraben, actually. But yeah, she's my oldest sister, but me, Miraben and Vrinda
there is one unique number we have. 12 years. Miraben is 12 years older than me, and Vrunda is 12 years younger than me. That's the. ચલો બધા ઘડિયા બોલો તો બારાનો ઘડિયો બોલો તો બાલિકા 12, બાજુ 24, બાજુ 36. When she was 12 years old, I was 24 years old, and she was 36 years old. So that's why we taught our kids also. બારાનો ઘડિયો બરાબર યાદ રાખજો. Tables. ઇંગ્લિશમાં tables કહે ને, right? I think. આપણે સ્કૂલમાં ન કહે એટલે I don't know. હા ઇન્ડિયામાં કઈ છું, ઇન્ડિયામાં એટલે ઘડિયો કહેવાય એટલે ટેબલ્સની ખબર નથી ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ. Anyway, wish you a happy birthday and many, many more to come. And thank you. Thanks everybody for coming here. And now, yeah.
Next in line is Miraben. Would you like to say a couple words?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Miraben on her birthday. 50 plus. I don't know what is her real chronological birthday, but I see her as 50 years old. That's how she has, all the energy. And God bless you, and you always have this type of energy and with you. And Juk Juk Dio. I would say one thing for Miraben. I won't say, instead of saying I know Miraben for this many years, I would say this way. That Miraben knows me since I was born. So that explains everything. I have always seen her like, growing up in her generation. I mean, I know my parents' generation, I know my grandparents' generation. They were all, fine. But in her generation particularly, I saw that she's very smart, very charismatic. She's like, she helps everybody. She has helped me a lot. And I always see like her, college double graduate, which is very rare in her generation, I can tell you that. So I'm really proud of you that you are in our community, giving us, like a, I would say you have, we are really proud of you, and we are so fortunate to have you in our, family. And now I can say that I'm very proud to have her as my sister-in-law.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you, Vrunda, having this nice party and giving me opportunity to have this party in my home.
Thank you, Dinaman. We wouldn't have done this without you. So, thank you again. All right, my turn.
No crying.
No crying. No crying.
Close.
What should I say? Miraben, you've always been there for me. You're not just my eldest sister, you are my mom. You took care of me. You taught me things in life. મારા લગ્ન પણ તમે કરાવ્યા, મારી દીકરીના લગ્ન પણ તમે કરાવ્યા. So saying thanks is not enough. You're angel in disguise, like your grandkids say. You're a true angel in our lives. And there's only one wish I would wish, Normally, what do women wish? આવો મારો husband 7 જન્મ સુધી મળે. I'm not wishing that. What I'm wishing is આવી મારી બેન મને 7 જન્મ સુધી મળે. Thank you. Many happy returns of the day. Again, thank you so much for what you do, what you have done, and what you will be doing. We are all so fortunate to have you as our sister, as our mother, as a grandmother, and a wonderful human being. So, here it goes. Everybody raise your glass. I know she doesn't drink. I know she hates drinking. But this is to you. Cheers to Miraban. All right, we're gonna cut the cake, and then after that, I will request Yash Kumar Shah to sing a couple songs for us.
Few words for you,
Yes, absolutely.
if you permit me.
This is your stage.